Hi everybody, today we'll explore another taste of summer with this fresh, sweet, tangy, and simple peach spinach salad with poppy seed dressing. Let's start with the dressing. Combine a quarter cup of olive oil with a quarter cup of honey, and a quarter cup of apple cider vinegar, about 4 tablespoons of Dijon mustard, half a teaspoon of salt, and a tablespoon of poppy seeds. Combine all of these ingredients together and voila, your dressing is done. Although the dressing is perfect as is, I'm going to add one more ingredient, and that is a bit of diced shallot. So I'm just going to take this shallot here, it's pretty big, and just dice about a tablespoon or two of the shallot. This will give our dressing a little bit more depth. Now that this recipe is underway, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also, be sure to click the notifications bell so you know each time a new video is uploaded. And share in the comments below, what is your favorite way to enjoy peaches? Now we're adding the final touch to the dressing with the diced shallots, and we'll set the dressing aside. Now we're ready to prepare the salad, and we're starting with the peaches. Today I'm using 2 Palisade peaches, which I'll simply cut in half and slice. You'll want to buy peaches that are ripe, so that means they're firm but soft to the touch. They do give a bit. Try to avoid bruised peaches or peaches that are very obviously overripe. And as you see, cutting them is a breeze. You simply let your knife be guided by the center stone or seed. And then I separate the 2 halves together, and the stone is very easy to remove. Then cut your peach halves into smaller slices. On this half, I am cutting around the stone first to make the smaller slices instead of removing it first as I did with the first half. Either way is fine. I'm going to remove the skin from the slices now, and I can do this in one of 2 ways. First, just using my fingers and peeling the skin off, or I can use my knife and just make a gentle cut just beneath the surface of the skin and then pull the skin away from the flesh. Either way is fine, and if you prefer to keep the skin on, you can absolutely do that. You can also remove the skin by immersing the peaches in boiling water briefly. This I would recommend if you're using a lot of peaches, but since I'm just using 2 today, I can handle this manually. I'll place the slices in a separate bowl, and this will make our salad assembly very easy. Now let's arrange the salad. So with this platter, I'm just going to spread some triple washed baby spinach, which I have rinsed again. Arrange your peaches on top. You can pre-toss this salad with the poppy seed dressing, but I choose to serve everything individually, along with the choice of nuts or seeds, in this case pumpkin seeds or walnuts. You can even add cheese to this salad as well if you want a non-vegan dish. But it's delicious, it's fresh, it's juicy, and so wonderful for summer. I hope you enjoy. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the notifications bell, leave a comment below, and I'll see you next time.